I'm riding in my RV, wherever I want to be, 'cause I'm free in my RV. Yeah.
Well, greetings from Helsinki once again, and look who we have here.
Yeah.
Joni and Sara, and they're like Finland's most famous YouTubers here.
Maybe.
Well,
Maybe
let me tell you my part of the story. I started watching them when we were researching getting something smaller, like what they have. They have a Ducato van here in Finland. And well, why don't you tell us a little bit about yourselves?
Yes, so I'm Joni.
And I'm Sara, and we are also making YouTube videos, so you should check out our channel too.
Vantastic, and we started living in our van after we started living in our van maybe 2 years ago.
Yeah.
And made 1 year tour around Europe, and now we are full-time in Finland and working 9 to 5 jobs.
Yeah, full-time jobs, and we are hoping to save money enough that we can someday quit our jobs and travel forever.
Yeah, so that's the plan.
Yeah.
Master plan.
Well, that's the idea. And do you find it difficult to that work van life relationship? Like
No, actually it's pretty easy in Helsinki because we have our own cars to here in Rastila camping ground, so we can dump the tanks here, and it's on our way to work, so
Yeah, and especially now, summertime, it's warm and everything is super easy.
yes. Oh yeah.
Yeah.
By the way, did you spend the winter in this van? How did you do that?
actually we were in this camping ground for 4 months.
The
For
coldest times.
But otherwise, well, we have a
Yeah, you have that heavy-duty furnace chimney kind of deal.
wood
there.
stove, so it helped a lot, so we didn't use that much LPG, but very efficient LPG heater, plus the wood stove makes even in the winter time
Yeah,
this lifestyle easy.
you can live in your car in Finland too full time. So.
Yeah, if they can do it, anybody can do it.
Yeah,
Right? And
that's
how do you
right.
deal with water? Did your water freeze, or did you not use your water
We have
systems?
actually just a little
jug like
jug,
that.
Yeah.
water in the winter time because we might use
Break.
the water in the winter time, but it's risky.
And this is your wood stove. Oh, and those are the babies back there.
They've been
Very
with us for 2 years, yeah.
Oh, this is pretty spacious, the bathroom. All right. Well, it's been great meeting you guys. This was really cool. And any final words for traveling rubber viewers? Like, come to Finland.
Yeah, come to Finland, come to Europe. It's easy to come here,
Yes.
and you can see lots of...
Whatever, it is amazing. It's a lot more similar than it is different in the end. And I didn't know how many people actually do. You know, you look around. There's a lot of. And further north is one car, one motorhome. One car, one motorhome.
Yeah.
It's like half.
Yeah,
It's
the Lapland is full of caravans.
Yes,
So.
yeah, it's
Yeah.
incredible.
And we want to come USA and North America someday to traveling
you-
with this car.
You're welcome to come whenever you want.
Thank you.
If you have enjoyed traveling with us, make sure you are subscribed and check out my other videos. Also, share it with your friends, spread the word, and leave me a comment. Now, if you really liked it, you have a chance to show your support at patreon.com/travelingrobert. As always, thank you so much for watching, and see you on the road.